Hey guys, this is Steve Strobridge, and I want to record a hopefully short video showing you how to set up and use Discord and join our Color Computer Discord server. So the first place you want to go to is the website discordapp.com, and this is where you can create an account. So what you want to do here, if you've not used Discord before, you would go to login. In this case here, we're going to say we want to create a new account. And for the sake of this argument, I'm going to create a brand new account. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I am now logging into Discord. I'm actually doing all of this in a browser right now. So, hey, it's saying, hey, welcome to Discord. Get started. I don't want to make a server. All right. So here I am. I'm on Discord. And I believe one of the things I can do somewhere is actually update my profile. So down here where my name is, down here in the bottom, if I go to user settings, all right, this is where I can edit my profile picture. So right here for change avatar, I'm going to go ahead, well, look at, damn, I'm a good looking dude, ain't I? I'm going to go ahead and put my ugly mug right here in my pictures and hit save. And so at this point now, I've got a beautiful picture of my ugly face here for my profile picture. I'm going to go ahead and get out of there. And so now I'm just like in a generic Discord world, and it looks really blank. But now that I've created a Discord account and I've signed into the Discord program, I'm going to join the Color Computer Discord server. The link to it you can find on the cocotalk.live website. If you want to connect with us on Coco Talk, you can scroll down here and click this link to bring up our Discord server. This is now showing, hey, would you like to go to the Tandy Color Computer Discord server? And if I go ahead and click on accept invite, what we're going to see right now, and again, this is still all in a browser, but we're going to see that we're in the Coco Discord server. There's a little TRS-80 icon here. And you notice that at this moment, you can only see two rooms. You see a welcome room, and we see a room called Code of Conduct. What we've done here, and it's also telling me I need to verify my email before I can do anything. But what I want to point out to you here is in the Code of Conduct, we've kind of put down some of the kind of FYIs and expectations we have from you for joining here. So it says, welcome to the Coco Discord server. It's telling you about text channels and voice channels. Text channels have a hashtag in front of them. Voice channels have a microphone. One of the things we will expect you to do and hope from you is when you join us and you come into the welcome room here, you write a brief introduction. What are we looking for? Well, what's your name? My name's Bob. All right. If you don't want to give us your full name, at least give us your first name. I realize a lot of people want to use a handle, but we'd like to know that your name is Bob, for example, if that's your name. What type of retro systems are you into? What do you do as you're part of the hobby? How did you get here? How did you find out about us? And then what are you hoping to achieve? So you need to fill this stuff out and give us a little introduction, or we're just never going to activate you. So hopefully you're going to do that. And then these are some of the rules of conduct. Like we want you to be polite, right? Keep politics, religion out of it. Try to keep on target and stay within topic on the different rooms. And also it talks to you a little bit about how you can mention people. You can put an @ sign in front of someone's name. So these are the basics of what we're going to expect. And then once you've read the code of conduct, our rules of engagement, we would then ask you to come into the room here that's called welcome and write something. Now, right now, I can't write something because I need to verify who I am. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I've gone ahead and I've verified that I've verified my email address. I'm now in Discord, again, just in my browser, and I'm in a room called Welcome. This is all I can see right now. And right now it says, well, good to see you, Steve Strobridge. So now this is where we're supposed to write our introduction, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hi, my name is Steve. I'm into the Coco, and I'm here because I'm recording a video on how to use Discord. So I have put my message in, and at this point I am still not a member because my name is not green. Once you've been memberized, your name will turn green. So right now I am still technically a potential member of the Discord server. I can only read and write in this room called welcome, and hopefully soon some person with administrative abilities will review my request and possibly let me in. Actually, I'm going to do one more thing too. I'm still in the browser. I actually want to install Discord on my PC. It's not absolutely required that you do that. So you notice in my browser here, it says get the desktop app. So since I'm running Discord in a browser, I'm going to go ahead and hit download. And since I'm running Windows, I'm going to go ahead and save it to Windows, and I'm going to save it in my downloads folders, and we're going to run it. It's downloading, and as soon as it's done, I'm going to go ahead and install it. So now Discord setup is happening. Well, this is where you would put in how you signed in, right? I have now magically activated myself, and now you see that my name is green, and I am now a member. And another thing you're going to notice is that a lot of things have opened up here on the left-hand side. And again, this is still just in the browser. You can do everything in a browser. You can also install this on a mobile app. It works on Android and iOS. So at the top of the screen here, you're going to notice there are voice channels. And you'll notice that the voice channels have microphones in front of them. And to join one of these voice channels, you would just click on that, and then that would join. The text channels have little hashtags in front of them, and we've got different areas. So when you start off, you're only going to see the welcome area. Now, once you've become a member, we've got a Coco lobby, which has got just real general discussions, and these are where people are talking about all kinds of stuff all the time. We've got off-topic discussions. We've got an area here where people are doing buy, sell, and trade. Where there are some areas specific to the Coco Talk show. So we've got a room called the Coco Talk lobby where we have people talking about things that are usually supposed to be pertaining to the show itself. We've got an area here where people can put suggestions for news or topics or other things they'd like us to talk about on here. We've got categories here for operating systems, Nitrous 9, OS 9, Flex, you name it. We've got hardware stuff. We've got stuff on different Coco systems. We've got things on games. We've got things on Coco memory expansions and storage expansions and networking and sound and programming and development. And if I was just to click right here, for example, on the basic compiler stuff, you're going to see people here are talking about this kind of stuff. You go to assembly, people here are talking about assembly. We've got stuff for events like Coco Fest and Tandy Assembly and VCF. So we've got things here, and so there are all kinds of areas where you can come and talk. Most people will be talking about general things in the general area, and then we've got specific things when it comes down to hardware, software, operating systems. And all you got to do is come into a room like hardware, post a question, post a comment. I would definitely suggest you kind of scroll back and see what people have talked about. Also check to see if there are pins in a room, because there are sometimes pinned messages about certain things, and right now there's a lot of pins, so that's actually not a good example. But usually there should be a pinned message that would tell you more or less what this room is all about. So this is what Discord looks like in a browser. This is what Discord looks like on the app for your computer. This is what I usually use, and what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to join a voice call just to say hi to these guys so you can see what that's like. So you're going to click on the microphone to join the call. Hey guys, can you hear me?
He's here.
Yeah.
There he is. Yep.
All right, so I'm just doing a quick video showing people how to join Discord and how to get on a call. So this is a general voice channel. There's people in here chatting. We have people here chatting all throughout the day, just about every day. And the important thing to remember too, when you're done with these voice channels, is you want to click on the little hang up button down here to disconnect, because unlike Skype, if I close this, it doesn't hang me up. It's still running. So I need to come back down here to Discord, wherever the heck it is. You guys still there?
Yes, we are.
Right. And then I'm going to hit the hang up button. So I'm hanging up, guys. Thanks. And then when you hit this little disconnect button here, you have now left the call. So Discord is a great tool for the color computer community. We have been using this for just collaborating and sharing information. We have just fun phone calls every night where we talk about stuff, and serious things get done too. Projects are done, questions are answered, people from the community chip in and chime in with answers, and it's very collaborative. It's a lot of fun. So hopefully this very, very short, succinct, and to the point video has helped you get a little bit of idea of what Discord is, how to get onto it, and then once you're here, don't be shy, ask questions. There are plenty of people who will be happy to help. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you on Discord, everybody.